Okay, here I go once again. The job is the heater core. Replacement on the 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. And the first thing that I did was remove the heater trim. Once you remove the heater trim, there's 2 Phillips screws here. And then the trim pops out. Next, I'm going to be removing the radio. That's also 4 Phillips screws. After removing the radio, right by the shifter, you have to pop this little access panel off here. Which look like you have 2 10mm screws. Next, I'm removing the glove department, which is 3 Phillips screws, or you can use a 7mm, but you'll need like a little stubby Phillip to get to that. Okay, remove the fuse panel and the paneling here, as there are Phillips screws there. Remove panel from center console. The rear of the seat, pop off this little access panel to get these 2 10mm so you can remove the center console on both sides. After removing the back bolts, now it's time to take the selector off, which if you see this, you just pull it down and then there's a hex screw in there to take that off. Screw size to remove that, T20. Perfect fit. (2015) Jeep Cherokee Latitude. As you guys see, you gotta gut the whole interior for the heater core. And on the driver's side, there was 3 little screws here. You're not gonna get it without the core. There go your heater core. Sorry I wasn't able to get too many videos start off, but I took a lot of notes. Where at the end of this video, I will give you a step-by-step of what I had to do to get it off. It's some crazy parts. You got to take the door off because right here and right there are 2 screws that hold the core support. So the door got to come off, and right there, those little grommets, that's how you take that off. And then up under the hood, you got to take them off because there's a 10mm on this driver's side and then a 10mm on the passenger side that holds up the top core.